Hi everyone. Today in mobile application development, we are going to see about development framework. So framework, we are saying that you already know about this framework topic. So framework is nothing but for each and every application you are creating, framework will be a mandatory one. So what will do means there are, for example, I am saying there are various frameworks available in the technical world. So you can develop mobile application using this framework. So your framework provides the backbone for the application to be fleshed out with computer graphics, animation, special features and functionalities. The application framework layer, what it provides means it provides many higher level services to the applications in form of Java classes. So what this Android architecture or Android software stack is contained means it contains five parts. One is Linux kernel, then native libraries, Android runtime, then application framework and application layer. So while I'm saying that application layer is at the top of any application. So before that, we are going to see about this Linux kernel. So OT kernel in Linux kernel is nothing but it will contains the operating system. So what the operating system will do means it needs hardware drivers, then power management, process management, and memory management. So in libraries, while I'm saying that libraries, for example, we are saying that libraries, each and every libraries we are for each and every application we are creating, some kind of libraries is imported for the certain application. So here we are giving this graphics. So for graphics, we are going the library called OpenGL, that is Open Graphical Language Library, then SGL and FreeType. So in media, we are having certain libraries, JPEG images. So whatever audio files, image files, for that we need the media libraries. Then like for such as SQLite, databases libraries, then Android runtime. So based on these libraries, we are going with this Android runtime. So Android runtime, while I'm saying the Android runtime, you are implementing most of the time with the Android Studio only. So while I'm saying that Java coding and here it contains the Java classes, but it apart from the Java classes, it contains the Dalvik virtual machine. So JVM, we already know that is Java virtual machine. But in Android Studio, it contains Dalvik virtual machine. So that is the main difference between the Java applications and the mobile applications. Then application frameworks. So application frameworks, it contains location based services. For example, here we want to locate our areas. For example, wherever you are going or moving somewhere places, for that you want to find out a location. That is a best example is GPS location tracking. So GPS location tracking is Google Maps. So that comes under location based services. And content providers, it also contains some of the content informations. Then window manager, activity manager, package manager, then Bluetooth and NFC, Wi-Fi and direct. For example, you are saying that how we are going to manage the devices, two devices, we need the Bluetooth connectivity. So for a Wi-Fi also, we are need the managing Wi-Fi direct connections. Then NFC, it is nothing but real field communications between the two devices. So any two devices you are taking that having certain limit to transfer the files. So for that, we are going the NFC framework. Then views, resource managers, these and all comes under XML resources. That is what application framework will contains. Then application layer, while I'm saying that application layer, it is at the top level. So top level, I'm saying that so each and every application you are creating, or that may be a mobile application or desktop application, whatever application you are creating, that application, what will ask what you are getting means it will like a user interface applications. So for example, I'm saying mobile application. So any mobile application you are creating, there are three types of mobile applications available. That is native application, then third party application and developer application. We simply call it as a native application. Is nothing but it connects the device based applications. For example, I'm saying iOS operating system files and Android applications, that is iOS and comes under Android mobiles. Then Windows, these are comes under native applications. Then third party applications, I am saying the third party applications nothing but, for example, we are creating any web based applications that are comes under third party applications. So developer application is HTML, CSS tags for web applications. Third party application and developer application, there is a simple difference is there. For example, I am saying you whatever real time application you are using right now, Instagram, Facebook, these are all comes under third party applications. Then developer applications nothing but it is a nothing but you are creating with the web based applications. For example, I'm saying that GS, HTML, CSS, that JavaScript, these and all comes under developer applications. So these are the different layer applications in the framework layers. Thank you.